Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360. Today we'll create such kind of component with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. To create such kind of component, first we will draw this L shape of 50 by 100 mm. So here I am closing this window and go to Fusion 360 interface. From here we can see we have to draw a rectangle of 20 by 50. The next what we have to do, we have to draw one more rectangle of 20 by 100. Then select this trim command, select this one and this one. Finish the sketch, select extrude command, extrude this profile up to. From here we can see up to 120 mm. Next, we will select this plane, go to create a sketch. Now the next, we have to draw a slot of center to center distance 60 mm, and this is of 15 radius. For that, first we will draw a line here, and the distance between this line and this is, from the figure we can see it is 70 mm. Now the next what we have to do, we will draw one more line here to find out this point. Now escape it, and the distance between this line and this is 30. Press enter. Now from here we will select this slot command, select this center to center slot, and it is 60 mm. And of radius of, from here we can see it is a radius of 15 mm. Press enter. Now the next what we have to do, we will select the next one, this one. For that, just finish the sketch, go to home position, select this one. Now we will draw one more slot. For that, from here we can see we have to draw, this is at a distance of 30 mm from this, and the next is the distance between this line and this line is 20 mm. So just draw a line here. From here we'll select this. And press. Now it is 20 mm, and draw a horizontal line in this way, and the distance between this line and this line is, from here we can see it is 30 mm. Now from here we will select again the slot center to center, and this slot, the distance between the center to center is 80, and radius is 6, so it is 80, and this one is 12, and press enter. Then finish the sketch, go to home position. From here we will select this extrude command, select this one, extrude it, and press OK. Similarly, we will select this one and extrude it in this direction and press OK. So as you can see, we have created the object. Now the next, we will provide some fillet. As per the drawing, we have to provide the fillet here and here of radius 20. So we'll select this edge and this edge and provide a fillet of 20 mm. Similarly, we will provide the fillet here. Select this edge and this edge, and the fillet is of 30 mm. So just provide here 30 and press OK. Now we'll provide the appearance. So in this way we can create the same component what we have seen here. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel. Telegram link also provided in the description box. You can also join the Telegram.